Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Hiking in History from Iceland. Yeah, as you can see, I am currently in Iceland on the side of basically a mountain in between this fjord. This is Akureyri in the north here. I got here yesterday and with a few friends. That's Connor. Connor, give us a wave. There's Connor. There's some more people in here I'll have to introduce you to. Yeah, got here yesterday and it has basically been non-stop snowing the entire time. As you can see, it's absolute. This morning I've come and dug this way out of our cabin, but it's been ridiculously hard to get up here. We've rented a car that we couldn't even get up here because of the snow. So it's been a proper mad adventure even so far. I originally wanted to climb a mountain up here somewhere, but I think the weather's just too bad to even attempt it. But so instead, we're going to be going to a waterfall that's fairly close by car anyway, along the main road, called Godafoss, which is a pretty impressive waterfall. So we're going to see that instead, because while I'm here I might as well make a video, and if it can't be the mountain one, we'll just figure something else out. So it could even be a bit of a failure video because we've got to get a car off this mountain currently, but it will be an adventure regardless. So come join me, let's go. This is where we're staying. Absolutely beautiful little cabin, but damn, it's hard to get up here in this kind of weather. This is Jacques. Got to introduce you to the video, man. And Connor's already in it. Say hello.
Right now we are currently shuffling snow out the way.
Like a real man. We've got a long way to go.
I don't even know what we're going to do about the car situation.
Yeah, no, we'll figure something out. We'll try our best. But this is nice. Sunlight's coming through now. That's so cool. That was the mountain we were going to try climb. Don't think it's going to happen.
The one on the left. We're going to go upside in.
Yeah, we need to find the car first. Let's go, boys! There's like berries on these trees as well. That's so photogenic. This place is insane. What are we even doing here?
I'll punch it in the car.
Yeah, we need to put this shovel in the boot when we can get to it. Fuck, man.
We can walk around there, can't we? We can just cut through.
Yeah. You got automatic driving?
Yeah!
Turn it off!
I don't like it, man. I trust you, not the machines. I can't see shit on this GoPro now. We're currently going through a massive tunnel there on the way to Godafoss. And Jacques says, have you turned it off?
I don't know.
Oh god. I don't like it, man.
You need to try and turn that off.
The car is driving itself.
You can't have it fighting you the whole way.
Oh, there's the tunnel ending. I think the tunnel's ending.
Yeah, the tunnel is ending.
Okay, I'm going to have to pull over and try and turn it off. That was so cool though.
Why does this car have that?
I don't know.
I didn't know it was that modern.
I thought it was cruise control. I think that's cruise control up there.
I can't handle it. Wow!
What is this place?
Look at this.
Look at that peak on the right. Look at the point on it. Oh my god, they are huge mountains.
Speed limit's 90, man. What are you doing 40? So I'm looking at the fucking view.
He's enjoying the drive.
Come on. Oh my god.
Can't get over the sheer scale of this.
Back of the windscreen
We've just arrived at the car park for Godafoss and it is just white everywhere. There's even a little petrol pump here. That's just insane. I've never been anywhere this extreme in terms of snow. November in Iceland, everyone. Absolutely mental. We've not even got to the actual proper viewpoint yet, but this is already pretty sick. Got this bridge here that goes over to the other side.
Is that a cave down there?
It's like an arch, isn't it?
Oh, I've got to go in there somehow, man.
Rappel down.
Oh, there is stairs.
Where? Where are the stairs?
Oh,
Oh shit, yeah. There's some steps
we're
here.
still going down. We don't know where the edge is here.
Yeah, stay on here. This bridge.
Oh god, that is so cool already.
It's worth it just for this, so never mind the rest.
We have to go under there.
Down there.
God,
Wow.
it's like, it's so cool, it's like Iceland.
They're the main viewpoints over there. This isn't even proper Godafoss, but this is insane. Looks like you're on another planet. This is like absolutely magical. The boys. We've seen some steps down here and we're going to see if it's possible to go down, but it looks kind of dangerous, so we probably won't. King Louis is leading the way. It gets really deep, the snow does here. It's probably a reason no one has gone this way. Oh, it's a bit better here.
Because that is ice.
So deep.
Down to where we want to go.
Yeah, there's no. Whoa! Hang on, slow down.
Yeah, I don't think
It's impossible. It's literally just straight down.
Oh no, man! Look at that. That is death.
That cave is so cool. Polar bear cave. But as we expected, no entry. But we wouldn't be able to get down there anyway. It's ridiculous. So we're going on the opposite side now to where everyone else is going because we are maniacs. But you can view it from both sides. So I think that's the east side, which is better than the west side, but we're doing this one first because we're here now. God, even this is only a teeny part of Godafoss. But look how powerful that is. Oh my god, that's insane. We've got somewhat clear day as well. Absolutely beautiful here. Wow, this is going to be a bit of a short video as well, probably, or a very improvised video, just because the amount of snow that we've got we did not expect, so we've got to change our plans kind of and do all different stuff. So just going to show what I can here because this place is incredible. Snow is so deep here. This is a cool trail though, even on this side. Mate, I've got the best like explorer back shot of you currently. We're getting there. The horseshoe waterfall of Godafoss. This is somehow the side of the waterfall which has the least good view, apparently. Apparently it's better up there, but this side is still insane. Oh my god. That is gorgeous. That lighting in the background is just insane. We're just climbing a bit further to the top of it. from this angle. I think if you came in summer it wouldn't be snowy at all, but we are in November and yeah, it's literally like this. We've had snow for the past couple of days. I think we only got here yesterday though. But this is Godafoss, which means waterfall of the gods, which is pretty damn cool. And the only history I know about it is that a long time ago, some big Viking dude with a Icelandic name I cannot pronounce came here and threw like old idols of the gods, like the old gods, sort of Norse gods I guess, and he threw them into this waterfall to symbolise the kind of ending of that religion. And I think it was their embrace then of Christianity and that kind of thing. I could be wrong there, I'll put it up if I'm wrong. I read it very briefly, but an important sort of chieftain guy or someone yeah, came here and threw the old gods into this waterfall, and ever since then it's been known as Godafoss, waterfall of the gods. It's in the shape of like this horseshoe, and it's absolutely stunning. I mean, the video is probably not going to do it justice either. It's absolutely incredible here, and we've somehow managed to get a beautiful bit of sky as well. So lucky. We're just walking back to the bridge to go onto the other side now. This river, stream, whatever you want to call it, is just so beautiful. It's that like slightly greenish tint to the water that just acts so clean. Give us a wave, Connor. What's your rating of Godafoss? How do you reckon it?
Godafoss itself is a 10, like, come on. But the conditions we have, the sunset was nice, that makes it like a 9, 9.5. If it was pure clear skies, then it would have been a definite 10.
Definitely 10. Or if we had northern lights.
If we had the northern lights, then we need to invent a new scale.
It would break the scale.
I want little markers on top of every peak.
There's just endless viewpoints. Getting close to the other side now. The end is just up there. This is easily the most extreme place I've ever been. It's currently, didn't even mention the temperature, it's about -8 so far at the moment, hence all the gear. But well, I'm actually pretty warm. Like, if you actually gear up properly, it's totally fine. Look at this. That's the money shot.
I feel like it was just worth coming to.
So this is the best view you're going to get of Godafoss up on this side. Visibility is quickly dying. As you can see, the sun is just there, being smothered by a big cloud right now. Got all the mountains are getting covered. The snow is already coming back. Just look at it, like perfect horseshoe shape. It's one of the most incredible places I've ever been. I know I say that a lot, but this is insane. Oh, you can get a view from here as well. This is stunning. Hello. Oh, look at this. This is even better. This is even better. Wow. Godafoss, everyone. Yeah, I feel like this should be kind of like a wonder of the world type thing. Look at this. You probably can't hear me, but the absolute force of that. I know there's one nearby, well not nearby, but in Iceland, it's called Godafoss. It's the most powerful waterfall in Europe. It was in the film Prometheus. Unfortunately we can't reach that, but this is so beautiful, so incredible. Easily the best view of Godafoss, I think, from here.
It's good from the other side as well, but this is...
It's mental to think that Godafoss is more powerful than this.
And it's not as pretty.
Yeah, I like the whole view. We've got beautiful, beautiful sky. Okay, so here we are, back at the cafe. Everyone's verdict of Godafoss.
Amazing.
Alright, innit? Solid 5 out of 10.
5 out of 10. There's no way. I don't really
Got a
know.
lovely clear
I
view
don't
as
think
well,
it's
Matt.
fully set in just how amazing it was, yeah.
You've got to pay to pee, that brings it down a little bit.
Yeah, you do have to pay to pee in this
pay.
little cafe place. It's like £1.50 or something, so.
You don't want to make money.
But the hot dogs are nice, and so are the muffins, so you can't have everything in the world, can you? I don't think we're going to get a better sunset view than this to end the video. It's been a very sporadic, improvised one, but as you can see, this place is fucking amazing, and we should get down here at some point. So Jacques is going to tumble down the snow, I think, but from me oh god. Okay, I'm going to try that. From Godafoss, the sunset at Godafoss, look at this shit. Like and subscribe, all the YouTube stuff, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Say bye, everyone.
Bye.
Say bye.